How to create a digital product that actually sells. In a world of endless opportunities and countless ways to make money, there's one thing everyone craves: financial freedom. But how do you achieve it? From side hustles to smart investments, the journey can seem overwhelming. In this video, you will watch how to create a digital product that actually sells. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Step 1. Find your niche, the key to standing out. How do you find a niche that not only excites you, but also attracts buyers? In the vast sea of online content, how do you ensure that your digital product gets noticed? The answer lies in finding a niche that aligns with your expertise and passions, but also has a demand. If you're thinking of creating an ebook, course, or template, you need to carve out a space where your product can shine. Start by diving deep into trending topics. Check out social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, where people often discuss challenges they face. What are they struggling with? What do they need help with? These are the pain points your product can solve. For example, if you're into fitness, a meal planner or workout schedule could catch the eye of health-conscious buyers. But here's the thing. It's not enough just to find a trending topic. It has to align with your expertise. For instance, you may have a passion for interior design, but if you're not an expert, it's going to be hard to create a digital product that sells. Think about areas where you can provide real value, whether it's teaching a skill, solving a problem, or offering entertainment. Step 2. Validate your idea. Will it actually sell? How do you assure that your product idea isn't just another good idea, but one that actually has a market? Now that you have your niche in mind, it's time to validate your idea. This is where many creators get stuck. They spend hours, days, or even weeks creating something only to launch it and find no one is interested. Don't let that happen to you. Start small. Create a simple landing page or a preview of your product and share it with your audience. Collect email signups or run a poll asking your followers if they would purchase such a product. Platforms like Instagram stories or Twitter polls can help gauge interest quickly. Or take it a step further. Offer a sample or a mini version of your product for free and see how people respond. If they love it and ask for more, that's your green light to proceed. This step is crucial, as it ensures you're not investing time and resources into something that won't sell. Step 3. Create a high-quality product. Don't skimp on value. So you've validated your idea. Now, how do you create a product that will actually stand out and impress your buyers? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start creating your product. The key to success is making sure your product provides real value. Here's where you need to focus on quality over quantity. Whether you're creating an ebook, a template, or an online course, you must ensure that your product is well crafted, visually appealing, and easy to use. If you're creating an ebook, focus on clear, concise writing with visually engaging elements like images, infographics, and call-out boxes that enhance the reader's experience. If it's a course, make sure your lessons are well organized and the content is easy to follow. Consider using tools like Teachable or Thinkific for courses, or Canva for designing templates and ebooks. Don't forget the importance of professional-looking design. The more polished and visually appealing your product looks, the more it will be perceived as valuable. People are willing to pay for products that feel high-end and well-made. Step 4. Choose the right platform. Where will you sell? Where should you sell your digital product so it reaches the right audience? Now that you've created your product, it's time to think about where to sell it. This is a make-or-break decision, as the right platform can make a huge difference in your success. If you're just starting, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify are great places to sell digital products. Etsy. If you're selling printables, planners, or templates, Etsy is a fantastic choice. It's an established marketplace with a large audience already looking for creative digital products. Plus, setting up your store is relatively simple. Gumroad. Perfect for creators who want to sell directly without worrying about building a website. Gumroad makes it easy to sell ebooks, templates, or courses with built-in payment processing. Shopify. If you want more control and customization, Shopify is ideal. While it's a paid platform, it offers a ton of flexibility, and you can integrate various tools to help you sell more effectively. Your own website. Having your own website is a great option if you're ready to build a brand. With a self-hosted site, you can sell your digital products while establishing an online presence. Step 5. Price your product. How much should you charge? How do you set a price that's fair to you, but also attracts customers? Pricing your digital product can feel like a tricky balancing act. You want to charge enough to value your time and expertise, but you also want to make sure it's affordable for your target audience. The first step is researching similar products. How much do other creators charge for similar items? What kind of value are they offering? It's tempting to underprice your product to attract more buyers, but this can hurt your credibility. People often associate higher prices with higher quality. If your product offers great value, don't be afraid to price it accordingly. Consider offering multiple pricing tiers or bundles. For example, offer a basic version of your product at a lower price and a premium version with additional features or resources at a higher price. This gives your customers more choices and increases the chance of making a sale. Step 6. Market your product. Get the word out. How do you attract potential customers and make your product stand out in a crowded market? Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your product and ensuring it sells. If no one knows about your product, it won't matter how great it is. Start by identifying your target audience and crafting a marketing strategy around where they hang out online. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook are fantastic for showcasing your products. Post visually engaging content and share behind-the-scenes insights into your product creation process. This builds trust and excitement. Email marketing. Building an email list allows you to stay in touch with potential customers and notify them when your product is ready. Offer a freebie in exchange for email signups. Then nurture your audience with valuable content until you're ready to launch. Influencer partnerships. Partnering with influencers or bloggers in your niche is another powerful way to get the word out about your digital product. Find influencers who resonate with your target market and propose collaborations. Content marketing. Write blog posts, make YouTube videos, or create podcasts that tie into your digital product. This not only attracts an audience, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Step 7. Optimize and scale. Growing your digital product empire. How do you take your product from a one-time sale to a long-term, profitable venture? Once your product is launched and you've made some sales, the next step is optimization. Gather feedback from your customers and analyze sales data to identify areas where you could improve. Did you receive positive feedback about a specific feature? Maybe you can build on that. You can also scale by expanding your product range. If you've sold a successful ebook, for example, consider creating an online course or bundle. Offering multiple products or an updated version of your current product can help increase your sales and attract repeat customers. Additionally, you can use paid advertising to boost visibility. Platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads can help drive targeted traffic to your product. While this does require an investment, it can yield significant returns if managed correctly. So, what's your strategy for growing your income? Have you tried any of these ideas? Or maybe you have your own secret to financial success? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth with ease. Thanks for watching. Here's to your financial freedom.